Welcome back to another video. If you are a BSP customer but does not yet have a BSP Internet Banking Service, what if I told you that you can simply register online for this service without simply going to the bank to ask the banking staff to help you out? So stay with me in this video as I show you the step-by-step process in which you can go about in registering yourself for BSP's Internet Banking Service. Let's dive in. All right. Once you click your browser, you'll be taken to Google search engine area, and then you search for BSP Online Banking. And once you search for BSP Online Banking, you'll be taken to this page here. Once you are here, you see the top right hand corner here where it says login. Just select this option and you'll be given a list of options here. Here it says BSP Online Banking, BSP Online Business Banking. BSP Online Business Banking is for those SMEs who want to have access to the BSP's internet banking service in their SME accounts. But in our case here, we'll just be doing the personal online banking service. We want our personal account to be able to access the internet service. So we'll just select this option here, select it. And once this pop-up window appears, you just enter your username and password here. If you do not know your username, then simply go to your SMS banking, enter your PIN. Okay, after entering your SMS banking PIN, you'll be taken to these options here. Okay, you see where it says option number 6, My Services. This is the option that you will select. So select 6. And then these are the list of all the services that you want to access. So in our case here, we want to know our user ID. Okay, as you can see, option number 10 is the option that we will select to know our user ID. So I select 10, send, and you see my user ID or BSP user ID is 3212507. You can do the same with yours. If you do not know your user ID, that's how you can go about in knowing your user ID. Now that you have known your user ID, you can now enter your user ID here as your username, and then just enter any password here. And after entering your password, you then click register. Once you click register, that's it. You have registered yourself for the internet banking service. You can now enter your username and password again and click login to enter your account, and you can conduct any transactions that BSP Internet Service provides. If you do find value in the contents that I am uploading, please subscribe, like, and follow. This gives me the motivation to keep on producing contents about simple services that we can simply do or access using technology in the palm of our hands. Thank you for watching.